Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500 for sale. I'm going to do a quick video walk around tour, show you some of the features, and if you're interested in learning more, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com. So this truck comes in a white exterior, and we've got this kind of brown interior. They call it Cocoa Dune. Color names are always kind of funny to me. But yeah, it's kind of a brownish interior, all leather seats. It's nice wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle. See, looks like cocoa, huh? Sunroof there. We've got our leather steering wheel. And let's go ahead and hop inside. We've got a turnkey ignition here. And mileage currently at 105,849. We've got our shifter right here. And our touchscreen display currently showing navigation and backup camera. And radio. Alright, good old Hair Nation, now we're talking. Okay, below that we've got our climate controls. We do have heated and ventilated seats. Yeah, it's a really nice truck. We've got a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, plenty of storage, cup holders and whatnot. You do have power memory seats here. And like I said, heated and ventilated, which is nice. Definitely a big fan of that. Plenty of room here with your rear seats as well. And we'll do one more quick peek back up front. Alright, coming around to the rear of the vehicle, you'll see our Chevy Silverado and LTZ badging. Plenty of storage space back here. And that is a very quick rundown of the 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500. Of course, there's so much more we could show you, and we'd love to do that in person or over the website. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or want to set up that test drive. You can reach us at feldmannimports.com.